Hello guys, welcome to our Medcart CMMS tutorial. So for today, we will learn how to use or how to see the function of our PPM. So we're done with the equipments, contracts, spare parts, and work orders. So let's go to PPM module. So in our PPM module, we have the search barcode, the PPM performer, and we have the buttons here. We have the function keys with add PPM, all PPM records, new PPM in process, and overdue. So at the bottom we have the PPM barcode of the equipment, schedule date, the next PPM, and what PPM type, and what is the PPM performer. We have also the date here, how many months the PPM. So this one, 2 months ago, it means it's overdue already. So at the right side also we have the edit button and we have the delete button. So also, just like the work order, if you remember, we go to the equipment module. We have also PPM in its tab per equipment. So as you can see here, we have PPM also. So let's click it. We have the schedule date. So take note, even work order and PPM, all of these are linked to the main work orders and main PPM. So let's double check the PPM if what equipment is this. So the barcode of the PPM is PPM 00113. So this is the PPM barcode. So let's go to the equipment information of which equipment. 125. So let's double check if is it linked here. There it is. This is the one who is linked to our equipment. So every time you save a PPM, it will direct save to our equipment module. So also, if we click the grid here, it will show the other information of our PPM. As you can see here, we have the barcode, schedule date, and date completed, and the action taken. So let's go back. And if in case the technician or the biomed already finished the PPM, he can edit and he can fill up the form. As you can see here also, we have a note here. It said, please update first your PPM before clicking in process or finish PPM, or else it will not save. So what we will do, we will update first, and let's make it in process. Did you update already your PPM? Let's say yes, we already update. Now it's pen in process. So this is the one. So let's say the PPM is already finished, so we can edit. Let's say finish, and we'll update first. As the note before, we have a note here: update first before clicking in process or finish PPM. So we will update. Now it's updated and we will finish PPM. Did you update already your PPM? Yes. Now it's 0 already. It is closed. And we can delete also, but this is very delicate, and if we delete this one, it will tell you we want to delete the PPM barcode 00130. So let's not delete it. So we have an example. So we will try also the button of our PPM. We have the new, the in process. We have no process. So the overdue, I think the overdue is all of them. So, and all, see all the PPM. Now there you have it. So I think this is all the functions of our PPM modules. Thank you guys.